Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
We've got some exciting news for all you electric vehicle enthusiasts out there. Straight from Albany, Governor Kathy Hochul has announced a major boost to New York's EV Rebate Program. That's right, folks. An additional $30 million is now available for New Yorkers looking to purchase or lease their dream electric ride. ElectroDrive News has the scoop on what this means for our state's residents and businesses. So, let's dive in and explore the details of this fantastic new development. According to the governor's office, these funds are made possible through the state's Drive Clean Rebate Program, which offers rebates of up to $2,000 per vehicle purchase or lease. But what makes this rebate program so special? Well, for starters, it covers a whopping 60 different electric vehicle models, giving you plenty of options when it comes to choosing your next ride. And the best part? You can get up to $500 off with some vehicles and all the way up to $2,000 with others, depending on the manufacturer's suggested retail price and electric range. Now we know what you're thinking. Which EVs qualify for this rebate? Well, it looks like the top 5 best-selling EV models in the U.S. right now are eligible, with corresponding New York rebates available. And if you're looking to upgrade your charging infrastructure, there's some great news on that front too. The expansion of NYSERDA's Charge Ready NY program means incentives for installing EV chargers have been doubled from $2,000 to a whopping $3,000 per port in non-disadvantaged communities, and a staggering $4,000 in disadvantaged areas. And that's not all. We're also seeing a total of $3 million dedicated towards hosting educational, ride and drive, community events. So you'll have plenty of opportunities to get behind the wheel of an EV and experience it for yourself. So there you have it, folks, more incentives than ever before to switch to electric. And with these new funds in place, we're one step closer to making New York a leader in EV adoption. That's the kind of news that'll get you revved up, straight from ElectroDrive News.